Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, today in crypto, wow, tides are turning again. Doesn't look good. So, if you guys saw the big news story, five more firms, including FTX, had a little action taken against them. Won't be covering that in this video, but pertains to other videos that I've done in the past, Voyager, Crypto.com, others. So stay tuned for that. Be sure you guys subscribe and join to the channel for updates. So what I really want to do now is I look at crypto, okay? With this news, crypto has not been doing well. Crypto is down, obviously. Looks like it's a little up right now, though. So the news could be waning slightly. But I do want to take advantage of this little dip, okay? And one of the things that I want to look at, right? Matic? You guys know I love the Matic, right? I look to accumulate this whenever I can. 82 cents, pretty good price. Not the 40 cents I was paying before, still higher. But what I want to go look at is ADA Cardano, okay? Now this coin has a lot of potential. We've done this in the past. Go look at my deep dive videos. And I'm just going to buy some. Like I said before, not a huge stake right now, but I'm going to get 20 bucks worth so I can get my 5 diamonds. Okay, it's worth 43 ADA right now. So when ADA goes up to 5 bucks, that'll be great. I'm going to quick claim my 5 diamonds here. That looks like I'm ready for another box, mystery box 25. Wow, I guess I let that go. Let's leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of box I'm going to get. Oh, too late. It's bronze. So it's probably pretty measly. Less than 2 CRO. Let's see what we get. Yeah, 0.7 CRO. Oh, geez. Okay, so I have 1.6 CRO. I'm just going to withdraw it all into my main CRO account, just so it doesn't disappear. Hopefully you guys are getting better action than I am here at Crypto.com in the mystery box. It's not doing so good for me. Maybe next time. So be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more as crypto goes up. So I just made the magic 500. That's what I want to see. I want to see another 0 on there. That's where I really want to be. But it's good for now. So when it hits 5 bucks, it'll be good. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.